Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kiara, owner of the Kidia Party Decorating Service. First of all, let's get into the new merch. I know y'all see the new shirt or whatever. You know, my other shirt is black with my logo, but this time I got a little green going on. So, give y'all a little spin, little model. In today's video, as you can tell by the caption, I will be setting up the heart-shaped arch that you've seen me set up in my last video. I'm going to link it right here. But this time, I will be using 3 packs of balloons instead of 2. In the last video for that tutorial setting up the heart-shaped arch, I used 2 packs of balloons, but this time I'm using 3. So I want to show you guys the difference between the quantity of balloons that you use and how just 1 extra pack of balloons can totally transform a whole look from one way to another. This setup is also for one of my sponsees. If you watch my short, I'm going to link the clip here. I talked about how I was going to be starting something new going into 2026, where I will be doing an enter to win giveaway for 2 local businesses in Atlanta, Georgia, to sponsor their events. Now, I also mentioned that sponsored event would only include a custom welcome easel paired with balloons. But with Valentine's Day coming up and this being a Valentine event, I chose to do this heart-shaped arch for content creation practice and for the kiddies, because this is an event where my sponsee is helping out parents to be able to have a night out for Valentine's Day while their kids come. This event is for children, for them to come and create, decorate Valentine themed activities. So yeah, I thought that was super cute, super thoughtful, considering the fact that I'm also an art teacher as well. I just chose to do this heart-shaped arch again for the content creation practice and the kids. So again, I wanted to reiterate and be clear throughout this video and transparent that this heart-shaped setup goes beyond my sponsorship setups. So again, my sponsorship will only include a customized welcome easel paired with balloons. And I wanted to maintain that clarity throughout this video. That way my expectations are still clear when it comes to the sponsorship. More details on how to enter to win for that sponsorship will be happening throughout this year, because the enter to win will start in November. And also, my girl Lexis Woods, who, you know, I talked about her, gave her a little shout out for my last setup that I did, who was my team member. She will also be a part of this sponsorship, where she will be able to alongside what I will be offering, the customized welcome easel, she will also offer 2 crafted cocktails for that business that win. Her services also include bartending. So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. Be on the lookout for that for more details. So again, the focus for this video, though, when it comes to this heart-shaped arch, is to show you how 2 packs versus 3 packs looks like. So yeah, let's get started. So don't mind me, alright? I worked a double today from teaching to business, but I blew up all my 5-inch balloons first to create my clusters, because I noticed that is the most time consuming, blowing up all the 5-inch balloons. So I did that first. Next, I blew up all my quads so I can add them to the heart-shaped arch as the base first. And as you can see, just with the little that I'm putting on right now, you can see the fullness in the quads. There were 26 quads total, which were 2 extra from the last heart-shaped arch. I will link a picture so you can see the difference. But yeah, 1 extra pack equals more clusters. Hence why all the clusters was definitely clustering, because I had more to work with. Always a pleasure to serve, create, and give back with the Kidia Party. Alright, y'all, we are back in the car. As you can see, it is dark outside. But I'm in a safe space, though. So, yeah, that's why I'm recording right now. But, so yeah, as you can see, the turnout with the extra pack of balloons definitely made a slight difference as far as the extra clusters that were able to be incorporated, and then plus the boxes, you know, the love box on the side added that nice touch. Now there were some hiccups that was happening when it came to the heart-shaped arch, just putting it together. You know, y'all saw me put this together before in my how to put together a heart-shaped arch video. I'm gonna link it on the side. You know I'm gonna link it on the side for my evidence, okay, my receipts. But y'all saw me put together this heart-shaped arch, so it was no problem the first time. So, but for some reason this time it was issues when it came to connecting the top where the heart indent happens at the top. There was like issues with that for some reason. But it was weird. I don't know. I wouldn't necessarily give this as a key takeaway, only because this was a sponsored event. I more so just wanted y'all to be focused on the difference in using 3-packs versus 2. And I also want to reiterate and provide clarity once again that for my sponsors, they will only include a customized welcome easel. I more so just wanted y'all to be focused on the difference in using 3-packs versus 2. I did this heart-shaped arch for content, practice, and also because of the idea of the event. It was for kids, and you know I have a soft spot for kids considering I am an art teacher as well. So yeah. And also, I don't be talking about my little star on my nose, okay? I have a pimple and it's giving Rudolph. I'd rather y'all see a star than me looking like a red-nosed reindeer. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. But alright y'all, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was super helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a little different from my last videos as far as just kind of like the structure of it all, but nonetheless it was still a good video, an enriching video. So give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at thekidiaparty100. And if you are in Georgia or in Atlanta or surrounding areas of Georgia, hit me up at www.thekidiaparty.com to book me for your next or upcoming event. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.